Welcome to YALSA Academy, the Young Adult Library Services Association's professional development project that supports excellent services to young adults. Find more of our continuing education opportunities at www.ala.org/YALSA.
You have several options for producing a YALSA Academy video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a few of them, including web-based tools like Animoto and Xtranormal, screencasting tool like Screenr, software like iMovie and Windows Movie Maker, and even using a smartphone or cell phone feature phone. Learn more in what's coming up in this video. Screenr is a web-based screencasting software, and screencasting software allows you to take movies of your screen. So as you go to web pages or different kinds of pages on your computer, you can record your movements and narrate it. Screencasting is really good for explaining how to do something, like how to use databases or how to use a piece of software or an app. And in the next part of this video, I have a Screenr screencast that I did on Creative Commons searching, and you'll get to see a little bit about how screencasting works in this screencast that I created. Something useful for those working with teens to know is how to search for Creative Commons images so that you can show teens how to use images that are licensed for them to use in their projects. So here I am at creativecommons.org, and what I want to do is I might type in library, and I can click on Flickr and search Flickr for images that are free to use under Creative Commons licenses. So I click on Flickr, and then I go back and click Enter. And here I see a bunch of images that are on Flickr that I could use for Creative Commons. And I could click on one if I wanted to, and I could learn about that image and see if I want to use it. Animoto is a web-based tool, just like Screenr is a web-based tool, but Animoto is for taking still photos and video and music and creating this high quality, almost MTV-like video that has transitions and not lots of nice features in order to make something interesting. It's really good for collection development videos, and that's because you can take stills and add text and add video together to make something pretty interesting. In the next part of this video for YALSA Academy How To, you'll see how you could use Animoto in a short collection development video. Another web-based tool you can use to create video is Xtranormal. And Xtranormal allows you to write dialogue for characters that are already created as a part of the Xtranormal program. It allows you to have settings that come with the program, and it's really great for showing conversations. And in the next part of this video, there is a sample of an Xtranormal video that is a part of YALSA Academy that's all about setting up a Bach Prince Award. You'll get to see what you can do with Xtranormal in this sample.
Late Show with Joe. I'm Joe, the cute host for today's program. Today we are going to hear how a mock print selection can be held at your library. I'd like to introduce Renee McGrath, Manager of Youth Services at the Nassau Library System. Hi Renee.
Hi Joe, great to be here.
Can you tell us who participates in your mock prints?
Sure, we collaborate with our next-door neighbor, the Suffolk Cooperative Library System, and we invite young adult librarians to participate in our 3-hour workshop in early January.
How do you pick the titles that everyone will read?
We have a committee made up of 3 librarians from each system. We read during the year and keep up with reviews and blogs. We talk to colleagues about what they have liked and pay attention to the general buzz to make sure we haven't missed anything.
Dude, that sounds like a lot of reading.
It is.
iMovie is an Apple software program, and Movie Maker is a Microsoft software program. Both allow you to do video recording, and that's the kind of recording you might do with talking heads. There are also software programs that allow you to edit video once you've shot it, perhaps in another program using a smartphone or a feature phone, perhaps. So in this next section of this YALSA Academy video, I've put together a short talking head clip that I created with iMovie, so you get a sense of how it works and what you might do if you were to create an iMovie YALSA Academy video. Software programs like iMovie and Movie Maker are perfect if you want to do any talking head kind of video shoots, or to do interviews with teens or other librarians or people in your community about great teen services. You can also use a cell phone. If you have a cell feature phone or a smartphone, it's likely that you'll be able to capture video on one of those phones and either edit it on the phone. I use iMovie, the app on my iPhone where I can edit the video, or you can actually import a movie that you create on your cell phone into Movie Maker, iMovie, or another program, and then you'll be able to create it and edit it and make it into a YALSA Academy video. There are a lot of tools you can use, and I hope this video helps you get started. You can find out more by watching more YALSA Academy how-to videos or contacting Eve Gauss at the YALSA office.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos at YALSA Academy.